can't touch this. You can't touch this.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. When the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. Though they may be parted, there is still a chance.
Okay, stop!
Georgia. Fucking snake. Fuck you.
So what did you do while I was gone today?
Run.
Kyle. Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle! She can't get. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Bagel, no! Bagel!
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah! No! Oh, Michael! Michael! Ah!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Don't.
Are these double baked?
In nomine Patris et Filii.
Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh! Attack! Delivery! Just one. You got to be kidding me! Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? Oh my God! Roman Reigns. Oh, KO by Orton. John Cena. Great ball. Wow!
If I could see one flaw in Carlito's.
But a Lesnar who's fading away. Brock Lesnar is every man for himself. Oh, KO! Goodness! His name is John Cena. You gotta be kidding me! Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? Is he gonna deliver? Sweet. Oh, attack from out of nowhere! Straight We all the claymore attack from out of nowhere. Straight on delivery.
On the move. Going to put the finishing touches on this match.
The pedigree. Oh, what a knee. I'm shocked.
Circus, Afro circus, Afro circus, Afro.